Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is letter writing. As you know very well about the kinds of letters and the structure of letter. Today we are going to do letter number 8. Okay, I'm going to read this question. The most important thing about the letter writing, when you are going to write any letter, first focus on the question. That what is the question? Try to understand the question first. Look at this. Write a letter to your friend requesting him or her to spend holidays with you. To spend holidays with you. It may be summer holidays, spring holidays, or winter. Okay, but doesn't matter. So try to understand this question. Write a letter to your friend requesting him or her to spend holidays with you. Now, look at this. I got some points from this question. This is very important steps got from question. What to do? कि करना क्या है? Write a letter. Letter लिखना है, not application, not an essay. Okay? Whom you have to write? किसको लिखना है? This is very much important. That whom you are going to write. To friend, दोस्त को लिखना है. Clear? Purpose to write, this is also very much important because some students they do this mistake that they have forgotten the purpose or they couldn't understand what is the purpose of writing the letter. So purpose to write is spend holidays with you. Okay, so don't forget that whenever you are going to write letter, focus on the question and find out these 3 points as what to do, whom you have to write, and what is the purpose to write. Understand? Okay, now I'm going to show you the structure. As you know very well about this structure, letter structure: the heading, salutation, body of letter, and subscription. You know very well about this structure. Okay, recall in your mind that what is headings. Come on, quickly recall in your mind. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what is this. In headings, the writer's address and the letter's date. Okay, what is salutation? Recall in your mind, you know very well about the structure. Okay, now refresh in your mind. My dear friend, this is your salutation. Okay, body of letter we will discuss later on. Okay, what is subscription? You know subscription. Recall in your mind what is subscription? Don't know? Okay. Now refresh in your mind. Yours sincerely. Okay. This is your subscription. Now I'm going to show the structure again. Complete structure which you use in your paper. Look at this. A model of letter, examination hall, city ABC, date, salutation, body of letter, then subscription at the end. Okay, is it clear in your mind? Very good. Now let's see. I'm going to read this letter which is mentioned in your book. Okay, your grammar book. Look at body of letter. You know that our spring holidays are approaching. अब जानते हैं कि हमारी बाहर की छुट्टियां आ रही हैं. I would like you to spend these holidays with me. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ ये छुट्टियां गुजारें. In your last letter, you promised to come to me during these holidays. आपने वादा किया था कि इन छुट्टियों में आप मेरी तरफ आएंगे. It is time to fulfill your promise. अब वो वक्त आ गया कि आपको अपना वादा पूरा करना है. We shall visit our common friends. हम अपने मुश्तरका दोस्तों से मिलेंगे and do some shopping. कुछ खरीदारी भी करेंगे. Inform me as early as possible. जल्द अज जल्द मुझे मतला करें, इतला दीजिए. About the exact date of your arrival. अपनी आमद की सही तारीख के बारे में. So that I may make further arrangements accordingly. ताकि मैं इसके मुताबिक मज़ीद इंतज़ामात कर लूँ. Okay, this is a structure, the matter which is mentioned in your book. But the most important thing is that whenever you are going to write letter, try your level best to write your own letter. This is called creative writing. Let's start to try. Take your register in your hand and look at this. Let's try to make letter, our own letter. For example, look at these Urdu sentences. For example, मैं खैरियत से हूँ, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप भी खैरियत से होंगे, बाहर की छुट्टियाँ करीब हैं, आपको ये छुट्टियाँ मेरे साथ गुजारनी चाहिए. I used here the use of should, चाहिए. It's very simple. If you use modal verbs, you can enhance your writing skills. मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि आप छुट्टियाँ मेरे साथ गुजारें, हम अच्छा वक्त गुजारेंगे. So make some simple sentences and try your level best to translate into English. This is very good for you, okay, because you have grip on tenses. Look at this. I translated also. मैं खैरियत से हूँ. I am fine. I am all right. I am okay. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. So simple sentence, present simple sentence. I hope. आप भी खैरियत से होंगे. You will be also fine. You will be also all right. Okay. बाहर की छुट्टियाँ करीब हैं. There is only the use of are. Spring holidays are near. आपको ये छुट्टियाँ मेरे साथ गुजारनी चाहिए. There is only the use of should. Okay, and don't forget that after every modal verb use first form. You should spend. I use spend the first form here. You should spend these holidays with me. It is my wish that you spend holidays with me. This is the second sentence. मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि आप छुट्टियाँ मेरे साथ गुजारें. You may take this sentence also. It is my wish that you spend holidays with me. हम अच्छा वक्त गुजारेंगे. We will spend good time. So same as you may make simple sentences. If you can make in English directly, you may make in English. But if you feel any difficulty, you may make sentences in Urdu first and then translate into English. Then you can easily make your body of the letter. It's so easy. At the end, salutations are there. So structure is very important, and the most important part that you must focus on the body. Try your level best to make your own simple sentences and translate into English. Okay, if you have any confusion, you may consult with us online. Okay, all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.